Okay, question 6. Charlie has X pens. Lisa has 3 more pens than Charlie. And Julian has twice as many as Lisa. So how many pens do they all have together? And we want to simplify this answer down. Now notice this is worth 4 marks, this one. So the fact that you're told Charlie has X pens and then Lisa has 3 more, what this is what you need to do is write expressions. Now remember, expressions are just things with letters and numbers in. So obviously our answer here is going to have X in it. If we were told that Charlie has 10 pens, we could figure out what everyone else had and then work from there. We're not going to be able to figure this out properly because we're not told what number to start with, but we have to write it in terms of X, so it will have an X in it. So what we need to think about is, what would we do to express 3 more than this? Or what would you do to a number to express 3 more than it? If I had 5, how would I express 3 more than 5? Well, I'd do 5 add 3, wouldn't I? So if I start off with X, what will I do to that? Well, it will mean that Charlie has X, and it will mean that Lisa has X add 3. Notice it's not 3X or X3, it's X add 3. You've got to be specific with that. Julian then has twice as many pens as Lisa. Well, Lisa has this many pens, X add 3. So we need to double that. We need to times that by 2. Now remember, I can't write it. This is the wrong thing over here to write down, so don't write this down. I can't do X add 3 times 2 because of BIDMAS. Remember, what that'll do is it'll turn that into X add 6 because it'll do this part of the sum first. And the best way to do it really is to just double both things. But if we wanted to, that would be wrong. The only other way to do it would be to write it using brackets. So basically you're going to do that. 2 lots of X and 2 lots of 3. 2 lots of X will be 2X. 2 lots of 3 will be 6. Okay, and we're being asked how many pens do they have all together. Now that word in maths means add everything up. Okay, so the numbers, the expressions that I've just written down there, X add 3, 2X add 6, if I write them down, X add 3, and 2X add 6, what it means is I'm going to add all of those things together. 1X add 1X is 2X, add another 2X is 4X, and 3 add 6 is 9. So my answer is 4X add 9.